Hello, this is Randy from Go Big Parts. So my buddy got a new bike. It's a 300 two-stroke. It may be the only one in the US. It's certainly the only one I've seen on YouTube in the US. I've seen some other videos in other countries. So we'll show you the bike. We'll compare it to my son's GPX, very similar. His is a couple years older, so there's some different components here and there, but pretty much come out of the same factory. This bike's harder to get in the US, but the price is probably worth it. You have to import them in, and you know, you pay with your credit card or however you want to pay, and you hope that it gets here, you know, 2-3 months later. So it's one of the downsides, but the price, you know, I think they sell those things for around $3,700, $3,800, which is quite a bit cheaper than anything you can get here in the US from Austria or Japan or anything. So I'll show you the bike. Let me know in the comments if you've seen any others like this in the US or not. And we'll also compare it to my son's GPX. So we got a new bike here. All the way from where?
China.
What is it? It's what do they call it? Hengjian?
Hengjian
Hengjian?
S7 Z300.
Z300. And we think, or we know, that it comes out of the same factory as the GPX, right?
Correct.
It's got the SZ or C suspension, brakes. It's a nice looking bike. It's funny, it's similar to the GPX pipe, not exactly. My son's got a GPX, so we can compare the two. That would be kind of cool. PDS style rear shock. Carburetor, different carburetor than what ours has. 300 two-stroke. Looks like you have to hook up the gas line, huh? Okay, what'd you get?
Oh, I got a new bike. Got a GPX TSE 300R.
So, two-stroke.
Yeah.
Have you ever ridden a two-stroke?
Never ridden a two-stroke dirt bike, that's for sure.
What do you think?
I'm excited. I just picked it up last night, so.
It's basically a KTM copy. Okay. People have given them very good reviews. As far as Chinese bikes go, I've probably heard of none reviewed higher than this one. This one has the XCW style shock, so no linkage on this bike. They sell this bike either way, so you could get a TSE or TSL linkage bike, or this one, a non-linkage. Other thing I like about it, it's got the headlight, tail light. Yeah, pretty much ready to go. Why don't you fire it up once so we can hear it? Yeah, it's got a key for some reason. Definitely like that two-stroke sound.
The speedo don't work.
Oh, it doesn't?
I don't know if I don't have something hooked up. I got two wires that I don't know where they go. These, those right there, I have no idea what they go to.
There was no little
nothing in
receivers there on the other side?
No, I don't know if it has to be hooked into the back of this. If there's something underneath that, or I don't know.